What's the difference between doubleshot and dye sub keycaps? Dye sub stands for dye sublimation. It's a process where heat is used to put on the legends of the keycaps. Doubleshot keycaps are different, however. They use injection molding and have two different layers with them, the keycap itself and the legends. Here's the difference of the two. On the doubleshot, you're able to see the two different layers, and on the dye sub, there are no layers. The two different layers on the doubleshot allow for a cleaner and better look of the legend. As for some dye sub keycaps could be a bit fuzzy. As for doubleshot keycaps, the legends will never fade, and in some dye sub keycaps, legends can start fading over time.